to Zimbabwe Republic Police ZIP officers from Harare Criminal Investigations Department CID, Homicide Division, were fatally shot by an armed robber in Zaka this morning. Sarabina Mashkubranyo Gopango achinzi 2 detectives shot dead by an armed robber in Zaka. Notable subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnozi rimo branyo kwa mchinzi. CID spokesperson, Detective Inspector Rachel Muteveri, confirmed the matter but referred to Police Spokesperson Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyati for comment. Yes, I can confirm the matter, but you can get a comment from Assistant Commissioner Nyati. He is seized with matter right now, said Muteveri. Efforts to get a comment from Nyati were futile as his mobile went unanswered. Sources close to the matter, who spoke on condition of anonymity, revealed that the 2 detectives, Bernard Chindeke 36 and Mackenzie Chitowe 42, had tracked down 2 armed robbers to Ndume village, Chimbeza area under Chief Danga in Majingo province. They managed to apprehend one of the robbers in the early hours. He is reportedly being held at Zaka police station holding cells. According to source, the other robbers opened fire at the detectives and Hindenge died on spot. Chidowe was briefly admitted at Danga Referral Hospital before being transferred to Mashingo Provincial Hospital. He died from gunshot wounds on his way to Mashingo. Police have since launched a manhunt for the suspect. Doma developments aripo pangwa inwe vanhu vanosara vachingokweshena the question ikuti so these detectives vanogohanda down armed robbers but they do not protect my citizens. Ukatasa the issue yalap mo maduku pina komesi kuchemeruza kufumuro emo tudi pamusoro pechitwichi. So subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.